Right guys, welcome to Ayr. And this is actually this main station right there. So for those who wonders, it's a town, second largest town in Ayrshire. So the only train is class 156 503 service to Garvin. And here is Imber Ayr. That's what you call it in Scots Gaelic. A lovely wee night. So, alright. So, from Sunday the 15th of December, 2024, so, calls at Newton and Ayr, Prestwick Town, Prestwick International Airport, Troon, Barassie, Irvine, Killinning, Johnston, Paisley, Gilmore Street and Glasgow Central. Mainly it's this things that cause that. So this is class 152 or 153, I don't know. This platform, there's 4 of them. So 21:33 service to Glasgow Central and Stranraer, and 20:05 service to Glasgow Central. Right. Never seen this train like that. Oh, here's the drivers. So class 156 503 service to Garvin. The next train at this platform does not stop. Please stand back. Technically, it's not all that bad. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at the tracks. They're clear enough. Like, if a fast train approaches, people will have to stand back from this line. So, yeah. Another tough rainy day today. Huh, okay. Mainly, you get these trains like that for the Inverurie service and sometimes the Inverness train, I don't know. Maybe I don't know, maybe not. There might be a train for the Highlands, I don't know. Maybe the South. So, departures: Garvin, Kilmarnock, Glasgow Central and Stranraer. So I'm hoping this needs to be fixed, because if not, I don't know what else to say. That's me done for this night. Well, time for me to head back to Paisley.